Today we're going to see together how we can turn an image into a sketch. To do this, we need to use artificial intelligence. Here I've entered the AI section, gone to the Home tab, then to AI Tools, and here I select the Photo to Sketch option, which means converting an image to a sketch. I select this, wait a few moments for it to load, then click on the side panel and use the Upload option to upload my desired image. We wait a few moments. This is the image I want, so I select it and click Open. We wait a few moments for the image to upload. Depending on the size of the file, the upload time may vary, so we wait a bit. I don't skip any part of the process, so you can see that I'm really not doing anything special during this operation. The time you see is the actual time it takes, so none of your time is wasted. Okay, the image has opened. You can even crop the image below if you want. You can cut out and keep a part of the image and so on, but I won't do that. If it needs a prompt, you can write it here. In the Style section, you can also select from the various sketch styles available here. For example, I can select the Fine Line Art section here, or I can choose Hand Draw. I'll choose Hand Draw, which means a hand-drawn sketch. I'll select this, and in the Mode section, I'll just leave it as it is. This mode is fine. Then I click on Generate. We wait a few moments for it to deliver the sketches I want. Well, as you can see, it generated the first sketch and then the following sketches as well. I click and we can view the sketches. As you can see, it's showing you a very beautiful hand-drawn sketch. Really beautiful and excellent. These are the sketches we've received. Now, if I use the slider here, you can see the before and after, the original image and the sketch it delivered to you. It's completely clear. Look, this is the one here. It's been drawn for you entirely as a sketch and very beautifully. Let's move on to the next topic.